वेलकम टू इन्वेस्टर्स मोनोपोली। आज हम बात करेंगे सीआरसी सब्लिमिस नोएडा एक्सटेंशन सेक्टर 1 5 एकड़ प्लॉट 6 towers 857 total number of units. These were the elevations which were shown by the developer in 2018 with a commitment to deliver like this. This is the clubhouse. This is the landscaping area. Six towers, clubhouse. So this is the actual construction. It looks like this right now. It has been delivered. OC has been received. Registry has been done. It has 982 square feet, a 2 BHK, costing around 70 lakh rupees or so. Then 1170 square feet, 2 BHK study, which is selling at a price of 85-86 lakh rupees. Then we have 1305 square feet, which is 3 BHK, 2 toilets, costing around 97-98 lakh rupees. Then 1485 square feet, which is 3 BHK, 3 toilets, costing around 1 crore 15 to 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. It has duplex penthouses and shops. So this is the road which is connecting you from Center Noida to Noida Extension. And in between there is a FNG, फरीदाबाद, नोएडा एंड गाजियाबाद को जोड़ती हुई एक रोड है ये. Adjacent to this project is called ATS Rhapsody. It has 1800 square feet and 2400 square feet size. It is close to Paisian. Then next to it, it is capital Athena. So this is the elevation of the tower. CRC has been placed at the overhead tanks. Look at the colors, beautiful colors. Coffee brown and beige. This is on the main road, on the service lane. This is the one of the entry of the project. Look at so beautiful entry and exit. This structure is My1 structure. It's all RCC structure. It is not bricks. It is all RCC structure, all concrete. M50 grade structure. This is on the main road. The project that you are seeing on the right, it is Spring Homes. Look at the balconies. Look at the overhead tank. It is one of a kind of destination. It is a luxury project. It is one of the best product if you want to live in Noida Extension. Look at the green area nearby. Lot of low rises are nearby, which allows you to give you a perfect view. It is a clubhouse of the project. This project is called Gayatri Aura. Then this is Casa Royal. Then this is Penshil Hanish. Then you have Eco Village 1. This road is connecting you to proposed metro station. This project is Saha Medutam. Then you have Irish Pearls, Apex Golf Avenue, Dev Science Sports Home, Apex Alphabet. And the villa that you are seeing is Rise Resort Residencies. 90 acres of land, 609 villas. Beautiful villas. It is a 360 spin in front of the project. This is connecting you with Center Noida. Look at the elevated view of the project. Look at this. It is on the main road, service lane. Beautiful masterpiece delivered. Look at this. Clubhouse, Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4, Tower 5, Tower 6. G plus 24 is the structure. So CRC committed to deliver this project in 2018. It has been delivered now. 2021 was the delivery date. People are happily living here. Committed, delivered. CRC Sublimis. Sublimis means perfection. So now we are going to talk about the upcoming project called CRC Joyous. It is Joy, You and Us. This time this developer is committing to deliver this project like this that you're seeing on the screen. It is finished, it is luxury. So this will be the entrance lobby of the towers. This will be the lobby area for the lifts. It will be combined with the sitting area. This time they are giving a temperature controlled pool, all weather pool, 365 days working pool. They are also giving an open pool. Look at this beautiful elevation of the project. Architect is Hafiz Contractor. Look at this landscaping. It's a 4-acre site, 4 towers, 536 apartments. G plus 24 is the structure, penthouses and shops. There will be 2 BHK, 1040 square feet is a 2 BHK, 1230 square feet is the 2 BHK plus study. Then we have 1395 square feet which is 3 BHK 3 toilets. Then we have 1575 which is 3 BHK 3 toilets. Then we have 1575 3 BHK 3 toilets. Look at the renders, look at the shape of the kitchen, washing closet in the washroom. This is the elevation, this is the pool area. There will be a joyride in the clubhouse. Beautiful clubhouse. Ground floor it will be gym and the first floor it will be gymnasium. Billiards room in the clubhouse. Sitting area in the clubhouse. Table terrace in the clubhouse. Gymnasium in the clubhouse. With all modern equipments. There will be a karaoke room. There will be spa in the clubhouse. This is the temperature controlled pool in the clubhouse with spa area connected. It's a banquet hall. It's a private lounge of the clubhouse. Look at this beautiful lounge area. Lawn tennis court at the top of the clubhouse. This is the main gate of the project, CRC Joyous. Look at this landscaping. Look at this main road. Joy, You and Us. So this is the area where this project will come. This goal chakkar, this roundabout is a set of 2 goal chakkars. There is a metro station proposed. Then you have 100-meter green belt in the front. Then there is a project called Galaxy Vega, and there is next vacant land. This is the area where CRC Joyous will come. So it is a second plot from 130-meter road. It is on the main road and service lane. Look at the density nearby. People are living here. You have 45 schools nearby. You have IT spaces, multiplex, cinemas, retail, school, hospital, all nearby. About 13 to 14 malls nearby. About 10 to 12 big hospitals nearby. In Sector 2, you will find authority plots. This is the plot of the CRC Joyous. Look at this plot. So there will be 4 towers in totality. So in front you will have Tower 1, Tower 2 and Tower 3. So this is the area where Tower 1, Tower 2 and Tower 3 will come. See this is on this main road. Look at this road, and this is connecting with the main road. So on the right hand side you can see the Galaxy Vega, on the left hand side you can see Panchtat, and at the back you can see Royal Nest. This is the total plot of CRC Joyous. It's a 4-acre plot. It's a big, huge, massive plot. The vicinity is completely delivered. People are living here, and people who are looking for luxury project in Noida Extension, they can contact us. Inventories are selling very quickly. I would request you to rush. Don't wait for too long. It's a great opportunity, great investment. 10% is the booking amount, and rest 80% you can take from bank loan. All the leading bank loans are there. This clubhouse, there will be a clubhouse of 35,000 square feet clubhouse. This is one of the biggest clubhouse of Noida Extension. In Sublimis, we have given around 200% of capital appreciation to the customers. Now we are projecting. We are expecting similar returns like Sublimis has done. Look at the vicinity nearby. It's all green. Maximum it is low rise, which allows you to the lower density living. Look at this beautiful view of Sector 2. It has parks, roads, all low-rise development. There is a 360 spin of the total area. This is the 130-meter road which is connecting you to Parichok and Noida International Airport. Look at this vicinity, all low-rise. This is called Ecotech. This is the Gol Chakkar that I was talking about, proposed metro station. So the sector that you're seeing in the front, it is sector 10 and 12, where ATS Happy Trails, Elite, Eldeco, Fusion, all these projects are coming. So 130-meter road which is connecting you to the Noida International Airport. So very promising setup. The project that you're seeing in the front in the screen, it is Eros Sampurnam. So it has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK. First phase is delivered, second phase is close to possession. It is also very close to proposed metro station. There's a 100-meter green belt in the front. The location is very promising, very important location of Noida extension. The first phase of metro station is proposed on this sector, on this Gol Chakkar. आप सभी के साथ एक छोटी सी जर्नी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, एक स्टोरी। कुछ मेरे ऐसे क्लाइंट्स थे जिनके पास 2 से 3 लाख रुपए की सेविंग थी और मन में एक ख्वाब था कि अपना घर बना पाएँ। तो मेरे पास आए सियासी सप्लीमेंट्स में 2018 में, बताया उन्होंने अपने बारे में और मैंने उनकी बात सुनी, समझी, उनको प्रॉपर्टी दी। 28 लाख रुपए के 2 BHS मैंने उनको बेचे थे, जो कि आज लगभग 72-73 लाख रुपये इसके बिक रहे हैं। और आज वो दोबारा मेरे साथ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, वो 70 लाख रुपये को 1.5 करोड़ रुपए की जर्नी के लिए। सो एक बार कॉल करें, मुझसे बात करें आगे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के लिए। और थैंक यू सो मच। सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल and please refer the maximum customers to me. Thank you so much.